Hey coffee lovers, check out the Keenstar Burr Coffee Grinder with 20 precise grind settings for perfect coffee every time. Its flat burr plates ensure a uniform grind size, delivering consistent flavor whether you prefer French press, drip, or espresso. Simply adjust the grind from coarse to fine using the easy-to-turn knob. Then press the one-touch start button to grind automatically. The grinder features a static-resistant plastic container and a dishwasher-safe chamber for easy cleaning, plus a handy brush is included. It operates quietly, so you won't disturb anyone while brewing your favorite cup. Compact and lightweight, it fits easily in any kitchen space and is simple to store. With clear instructions included, this grinder makes brewing fresh coffee effortless and enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.